Lotmay Stem Cell Drops have recently gained attention online, with bold claims that they can boost energy, improve immunity, reduce inflammation, enhance skin health, and even repair cells using advanced stem cell technology. These drops are marketed as a fast-acting, all-natural supplement that supports overall wellness, but many people are questioning whether they actually work or if the product is just another health scam. The company behind Lotmay Stem Cell Drops promotes them as a revolutionary formula containing plant-based stem cell extracts and amino acids, but provides very limited scientific evidence to support the dramatic benefits mentioned in advertisements. While some users report feeling more energetic, experiencing reduced joint discomfort, or noticing slight improvements in sleep quality, others say the drops did nothing for them at all, calling the product overpriced and inconsistent. Additional concerns arise from the lack of transparent information about the manufacturer, unclear ingredient sourcing, and the fact that the product is mainly sold through new or unfamiliar online shops with mixed customer feedback. Many reviewers mention issues such as delayed shipping, unresponsive customer service, and difficulty obtaining refunds, which raises red flags for cautious buyers. Overall, Lotmay Stem Cell Drops may offer mild benefits for some individuals, but the exaggerated claims, limited research, and inconsistent reviews make it a product that should be approached with skepticism. Until more scientific evidence and trustworthy customer experiences emerge, consumers should be careful, do their research, and avoid expecting dramatic health transformations from a supplement with so many unanswered questions.